Hi guys, it's your girl Debbie and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. How have you all been? I hope everybody has been great. So if this is your first time here, thanks for joining the family and I hope you remain with us. So guys, today is a beautiful Saturday and as you can see, I'm enjoying it already because my weekend started great. Yesterday was really great, Friday night, and yeah, so today's Saturday. It's still moving nowhere. I have an interesting place I'll be going to later today with blessing. Don't worry guys, I'm going to take you guys along with me. But for now, let's talk about what we have to do today. So since I go to Canada, I've been craving Abacha. I don't understand where this craving came from. Because before I left Nigeria, I didn't even eat Abacha. I haven't had Abacha in a very long time. And that's why I'm surprised where this craving came from. Those have been reading my WhatsApp status with me and I'm always posting I want to eat Abacha. And the craving has been so much, like guys, it was as if I was pregnant. Then finally, Blessing has an African store where she orders African food from and she placed order and voila, Abacha came this morning and I'm really excited. So I'm preparing Abacha today, my own recipe, the way I can prepare my own Abacha. And trust me, I'm going to take you guys along because it's really going to be interesting. Like, I can't wait to try this Abacha and the fact that I've been craving it for a while and I get to prepare something for Blessing to eat and it's Abacha. So yeah, I'm really excited and I want you guys to be part of this cooking process. So I've brought out all the stuff I'm going to use. I'm going to show you guys and I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step process and how I'm going to make everything and what else. I'm also going to try it with me, although you're not going to test it. I'm going to be the one to test it, but don't worry, as I'm eating, just join me and eat it. And then don't forget to also have somewhere we're going to later this evening. So it's really an interesting Saturday. Basically, this is the stuff I'm going to be using. I'm using fried chicken in place of fried fish. And then this is my dry fish. I'm going to like put this inside, like pieces it inside. This is my diced onions, my fresh pepper, crayfish. This is my Abacha. And then I'm going to be using liver in place of pomo. And because the meat Blessing order, we thought there was pomo inside and then we found out that there was no pomo, so we're using liver. And basically this is like what I'll be using aside my seasoning cubes and the rest. And I'm also going to take you guys along. So right now I'm going to put my water on fire, put my water on the electric kettle so that my water can start boiling. And while I'm waiting for the water to boil, I'm going to chop down this liver and also chop down my dry fish. So while we wait for the water to boil, this is what we're going to be doing. Let's start. There's no time again. So now let me get my kettle to boil the water. So while waiting for the water to boil, we're going to work on the fish and the liver. Come with me. So now I'm going to chop this down to tiny pieces so that it can be in the Abacha. So just not too tiny and not too big. I want a situation whereby as you're taking Abacha, you're taking liver, and there will be so many stuff, so many animals inside the Abacha. So I'm done chopping this down with the liver. So now it's time for the fish. I'm someone that is very scared of bone. In fact, one of the reasons why I don't like fish because of bones. So if I have to eat a fish, I have to make sure like there is no single bone in the fish because I don't want you to say a fish had a chop now I die. So I take my fish very personal. So now I'm taking out, and this fish has lots of bone, guys. I have to make sure I take out the bones from this fish one by one to avoid story that touches the heart. Because if I must eat fish, I have to be sure there is no bone. If not, I'm not eating that fish. I cannot come and kill myself on top of fish. So I always take my time to take out all the bones in my fish very well. So I'm doing that. done with the liver and the fish, and our water is ready. That's done it. Now I'm going to pour this hot water inside my bowl of abacha. So the reason why I'm pouring this is like a way of rinsing it, making it, it's hard right now. It's hard. So it's a way of like killing the chemicals or whatever it is making it. I don't know how to make abacha, and soften it so that it can be ready for processing. So now this is how I'll be doing it. So this is my bowl of abacha and this is my hot water. So I just pour it around. So I'm not making a large quantity because so we don't waste. Blessing does not eat much. After that, while we wait for our matcha, I'm going to okay guys, you share one thing about. So I'm going to mix our liver with our seasoning cubes and all that, and then I'm just going to like fry it, not like fry it deep, like fry it a bit so that it's not going to be raw, like it's still raw right now. So just add some seasoning cubes and fry it and wait for our abacha to be ready. So I'm not going to take you guys with all the process, but I promise I'm going to take you guys with everything because yeah, I got you guys. So I'm not using a lot for this. I'm just going to use this hot sauce and then this Maggi for this. So just pour them in here, just little. I'm using the hot sauce so it can be spicy. Yeah, just little. So this is just what I'll be using for this, and then I'm stirring it together. And I don't know if I should use the air fryer or I should just like use the same pot and fry it a little, but I'll figure that one out. So abacha, guys, like the hot water has actually made the abacha to rise. Is there a word like that? So now abacha, the small quantity of abacha is now, it's plenty now. So at this point I was just trying to chop the pepper down with my hands. Guys, see me using my bare hands to chop down fresh pepper on my wife material. Like I was not even worried, I was chopping down the pepper with my hands. So remember I mentioned earlier that we're heading out, so I had to be fast so that I can round up my bath, take my bath and prepare for my outing. So you guys know I was really excited about where I have to go to today. So yeah, I was just trying to be fast and meet up with this. So because I told you guys we are going now, that's how I'm rushing, and that's why I didn't show you guys the frying method for the liver. But don't worry, you guys are not going to miss any other part. So now my pot is already dried and we're about to start. So I'm using a very special oil. This is not just any kind of oil. This is Banga red palm oil. And so my stove is already on, and I'm adding my oil, my red oil. Like this oil has a nice smell and a great taste. So as I said, I'm not using any kind because it was the same oil I used in frying my liver. Yeah, I also fried some part of my dry fish. But some oil, like guys, I wish you guys could test this right now. It tastes so great. So let me make sure that this oil is okay. And now we're going to wait for it to get hot. When it gets hot, then we'll start adding our ingredients. So now oil is hot. You can see it doesn't need to be like very hot, but it's hot enough. And the first on my list is my crayfish. I like when I'm cooking and I'm getting the smell of the crayfish. So this is like the first on my list. And then I'm stirring it. At this point, I'm going to reduce my heat so it doesn't get too hot. While I'm stirring this, I'm going to bring my fresh pepper and my onion. So this is my diced onions, and I'm adding it. At this point, I feel like the oil I added was much. I just hope it's not too much. So I'm adding my fresh pepper I didn't cut plenty pepper because I'm still going to add small hot sauce, so there was no need of chopping much pepper. I just wanted to see pepper in the abacha while I'm eating it. That was why I even added this. And so I'm stirring, and now I'm going to add this, my liver and my fish. Guys, this smells so great. Oh my god, yummy. So I still have some dry fish here. I didn't really chop this one down so much, so I'm adding them. And yeah, took out the back of the fish. I'm not a fan of back of fish, so now I'm adding my seasoning cube just to, oh shit, this is really strong. I'm not going to add salt. Guys, we'll come back to this seasoning cube. So I'll stir, add some of my hot sauce before I put in my abacha. This is my own recipe, guys. You can try it. Did you see what happened? I'm going to tell you. Yeah, I'm going to tell you guys the ingredients I use. If you're interested, just send me a DM on any of my social media handles and I'll tell you the ingredients I use. So now it's time to put our abacha inside. Voila, the abacha. Guys, can you see this? At this point, I wish you guys were here to try this. I wish you guys were here to try this. Oh god. Guys, abacha is ready. Like, I haven't turned it off yet. I can't wait to test it. So, like, it smells so good and I just can't wait to test it. Let's test it. Ooh, I'm really excited. Abacha. I might not be a professional chef, but guys, trust me, I'm the best. This is so good. Right now, I feel like I'm in Nigeria. This is great. Trust me, this is great. The taste of this, like particularly the already, you know that it's great. And then the taste is everything. Don't worry, I'll take pictures and send to you guys. Okay, that's the best I can do. You guys are not here to test with me. But if you're in Canada and you want to eat abacha, I'm going to reserve some for you in the fridge. Come down and eat abacha. Okay? I got you guys always. Thanks for watching. Don't go anywhere. You guys know I'm going out. Like, I'm going to take my bath now and head out. And I don't want to tell you guys what I'm going to yet, but wait until you see it. It's really going to be fun today. It's really going to be fun today. Whenever you see this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a nice comment and share. Let me turn off my abacha and go and the void. What drink should I take with this abacha? I've been avoiding soda for a while, so I think I'm going to take my favorite orange juice with this abacha. And I decided to have the abacha with a soda, a coke. Guys, look at all this excitement. The abacha was really, like, guys, I can't even explain it. It was sweet. Omo. The craving is sweet. Die. I wish you could try it. So I'm so pissed right now. I feel like crying. You guys saw the way I was rushing and making the abacha so that I can meet up. Guys, Canada weather is going to frustrate you. Do you guys know that the show was cancelled? I remember I didn't tell you guys where I was even going to because I wanted to surprise you guys when I get there and all that. Guess what? It started raining. The other day I went that it started snowing. Today we're getting ready and it started raining and they had to cancel the show. So it was supposed to be like go for like a light show and then after that we go for a bonfire show and all that. But it had to be cancelled because it was an outdoor activity and it was raining. So no show. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to sleep very soon. And I'm not go for show again. It's already cold as you can see. I have to cover up again. But anyways, thanks for watching this far. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Please guys, share, subscribe. If you're able to watch this far, subscribe. And I know I owe you guys a lot of videos part 2 of how I traveled to Canada and other videos. But don't worry, this weekend is still going to be fun. We're going to still go out this weekend and I'll carry you guys along. Hope you enjoyed the abacha. And don't forget to try my recipe and give me a feedback. I'll talk to you guys some other time. I remain your favorite girl, Debbie.